The subject of this video is creating a Microsoft team. So let's open Teams. Let's maximize Teams. Go full screen. In the upper left, you'll see a plus beside Teams. Click on that. Create Team. And here you'll see a variety of templates. These will help fast track you in creating your team. Let's select Adoption, Office 365. And we'll give it a name. Just click use this template first. Give it a name, make it public. Say Office 365 User Adoption Team. Oops, just change that to a capital. Then I'll copy that and paste it in description. Then I'll click Create. And then I'll click Close. Once I've clicked Close, then I will go to the team and add members and customize. Let's go over to the Teams area on the left. There's the team. Let's click on the ellipses and we'll add someone. Oops. Manage users. Type in the name. Click Add. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.